In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your GitHub profile, a crucial step in showcasing your skills and professional identity in the tech world. Let's dive in and start creating a GitHub profile that truly reflects who you are. First things first, you need to sign into your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. You can do this by either typing the URL github.com// your username into your browser's address bar, or by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner of the GitHub homepage and then selecting your profile from the drop-down menu. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to update your basic profile information to set the stage for that perfect first impression. To make these changes, head over to your GitHub profile settings. This is where you can let your personality shine by updating your profile photo. Choose a picture that is clear and professional, but also feels like you. Along with that, fill in your name to ensure people can easily identify you. Next, your bio is an opportunity to give a hint of your professional expertise in a compact format. Think of it as a tagline that captures your core skills and passions. For instance, you could write something like, full stack developer passionate about React and cloud automation, or open source contributor, with Python, with DevOps, AI enthusiast. The key here is to keep it short, clear, and focused on your skills, just enough to pique interest without overwhelming the reader. Apart from your bio, there are other fields you can fill out to add more depth to your profile. List your pronouns if you're comfortable, as well as your company, location, and any websites or blogs you maintain. This is also the best place to include your social links. Integrate your LinkedIn, Twitter, or any other social media handles you think potential collaborators or employers might find useful. A well-rounded GitHub profile doesn't just focus on text. The visual aspect matters too. Customize the appearance by making sure all the elements align with your professional brand. Are your profile details clean and organized? Do the colors and themes reflect what you're about? A cohesive appearance adds to the professionalism and allure of your profile, inviting viewers to delve deeper into your projects and contributions. And there you have it. With just a few strategic updates, you've customized your GitHub profile to not only mirror your professional journey, but also to serve as a compelling introduction to anyone who visits your page. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!